Welcome you little rebel you. I guess you're here because you want to earn money using AI, more specifically ChatGPT or AI like it. Can you keep a secret? I hope not, because we can't. Today we are dishing out websites you can use right now to earn money to buy you the dream car and house you have on your vision board. Be a rebel, but don't be an ass. Click that like, subscribe button, and notification bell. Don't worry, I'll wait. Reciprocity, my little rebel. Subscribe so you don't miss any of our conversations, because if I'm being honest, this channel will change your friggin' life. Let's get into the websites that pay you to write informative articles and blog posts for their pages. We know some of you may have zero experience into content creation or writing. However, with sites like ChatGPT, overthinking has become a thing of the past. Yes, I guess you can say this video is AI for dummies. That's right, AI is the equivalent of leaning over the shoulder over the smart kid in class. It's taking the course hero of websites and can actually write blogs and articles for you with only sharing a small description of what you need while you sit back, relax, and reel in the dough. Websites like ChatGPT does the hard work, so let's turn that into Bentleys, luxury travel, and retirement. So let's get into it. Firstly, you will need to set up an account with ChatGPT or any AI-generated site. If you're a rebel, a great mobile-based site I use that is easily downloadable is called Chat-on. No, I'm not an affiliate today, so just download that shush because I actually use it and it's flipping awesome. So other sites that are for more impressive are Flicky and Pictory. I'll leave the links in the description because I don't want you to break a nail having to search for it in Google. You're welcome. After you've created your new account, or AI accounts, you are now ready to get this money. Let's get into the websites that pay you for being lazy but smart. This first website I recommend is Upwork. Upwork lets you set up a freelancer account and gives you the ability to set your own pay rate. Yes, you create your own hourly pay and have the ability to search content creation and blog post work across the globe for an array of industries and topics. Sound easy? Well, it is. Next is Lisbeth. Shout out to all the feminists or supporters of feminists, because this site is just for you. Lisbeth pays individuals like you to create articles and blogs about the feminist, $100 to $2,500. Next is Income Diary. The Income Diary is a website that pays you anywhere from $200 to $500 per blog post. Ching ching, my little rebel. The next website is for all the people that are good with their hands, if you know what I mean. Get your mind out of the gutter. This site, the Popular Woodworking, pays writers $50 to $250 to talk about woodworking. Being good with your hands never sounded so lucrative. Next is wphub.com. WP Hub is for the WordPress experts, or ChatGPT WordPress experts. This site pays you $100 to $200 per article. Getting hungry? Well, this site is sure to help you buy a steak dinner or two. While the pay varies, this website, the FreshBooks blog, only requires 200 words. Speaking of food, we can't leave out NutriInspector. NutriInspector is a food, nutrition, diet, and weight loss site that is looking for bloggers to write about weight loss, recipes, and even give kitchen product reviews. I guess dinner is on you, because each post pays you $60 to $180 per article. Are you a nerd? Well, with ChatGPT, you don't have to be. That rhymed, and so does the ringing of deposits to your bank account if you work with our last recommended website, Linode. Linode looks for technical writers who can write about cloud and Linux. You know what they say. Money is in tech, so this one is definitely worth looking into. Okay, you little rebel, did you watch us the whole video? You're a voyeur, huh? Since you're here, I'm assuming you liked something I said, so be a rebel but don't be an ass. Like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Or not. Because hey, a little rebel in us. The Millionaire Rebel. Thanks for watching.